Hello student. Today topic is simple microscope or magnifying glass. What is microscope? A microscope is an optical instrument to see very small object as magnified one. There are two types of microscope. Number one, simple microscope or magnifying glass. Number two, compound microscope. Today we are going to discuss simple microscope or magnifying glass. Simple microscope consists of a convex lens of small focal length. A magnifying glass is an example of simple microscope. So what is the principle of simple microscope? Principle. It is based upon the fact that an object placed between the optical center and the focus of a convex lens forms a virtual, erect and magnified image on the same side of the lens. You see the diagram. When object is placed in between optical center C and principal focus F, then virtual image is formed in the same side of the convex lens, that is A dash B dash. How it working. So you see the diagram, we're considering that this is convex lens of focal length f. Let AB be an object which is placed in between principal focus f and optical center C. Then the rays of light from the object do not meet after refraction through the lens. They appear to come from B dash. Therefore, A dash B dash is the virtual image of the object AB. This image is erect and magnified. Now, magnifying power. Magnifying power. It is defined as the ratio of the angle subtended by the image at the eye to the angle subtended by the object at the eye when both are placed at the least distance of distinct vision independently. Now, here alpha is the angle subtended by the object at the eye and beta is the angle subtended by the image at the eye when image is at the distance equal to least distance of distinct vision. So magnifying power of the simple microscope is given by m equal to beta by alpha. For small angles, alpha is approximately tan alpha and beta is approximately tan beta. So since alpha and beta are very small, so we can write beta equal to tan beta and alpha equal to tan alpha. Now you see the diagram with respect to alpha. So perpendicular, this is the A dash P C is a right angle triangle. So perpendicular base means perpendicular is A dash P by C A dash. And tan beta also you see tan beta perpendicular is AB and base is CA. So AB by CA. So let us put this value tan alpha equal to AB tan beta equal to, first let's write tan beta first, tan beta equal to AB by CA and tan alpha A dash P by C A dash. AB by CA, then CA dash will go upside, CA dash by A dash P. Since A dash P equal to AB. So AB, A dash P cancel. Therefore M equal to CA dash by CA. According to sign convention, CA dash equal to minus D, CA equal to minus U. You see the diagram. CA dash equal to D and CA is U, object distance. M equal to CA dash minus D, CA minus U. So minus and cancel, so M equal to D by U, equation number 1. Using Lenz's formula, we have minus 1 by U plus 1 by V equal to 1 by F. Applying new Cartesian sign convention, U becomes minus U and V becomes minus D. We get minus 1 by minus U plus 1 by minus D equal to 1 by F. So minus minus plus 1 by U, this is minus 1 by D equal to 1 by F. 1 by U equal to 1 by D plus 1 by F. Both sides multiplying by D, D by U equal to 1 plus D multiplied by D, so it becomes 1, D by F. Multiplying by D. Hence, equation 1 becomes M equal to 1 plus D by F. This is the expression for magnifying power of a simple microscope. When image is formed by simple microscope is at infinity, then magnifying power M equal to becomes D by F. Thank you.